Yeah, anyway. From the beginning, already looks like really good. Just only one different from previous matches. Romero is in. We have to be careful about Bowen. The left side. Oh, he better. 손흥민. What was that step? Okay, Johnson. Yeah, left side. Look at that. Left side is really open. But like, okay, left side is really open right now, but Johnson needs to make something. Please! Johnson needs to make something from there. But still not sure Johnson can make something from there. Yeah. Romero! Cristiano Romero! Nice comeback! He is back! Romero is back, bro! Nice! Wait, if you will win, if your betting will win, can you give me $1? Can you give me $1, please? Yeah, Romero is back! Yeah! That's why we fucking... Oh, nice! Oh, Romero is back! Oh, guys. Oh! See, Romero can score. Romero also can defend. See, I think we also did, like, a lot of players are really important in Spurs. I think Romero is one of them. Romero, with Romero and without Romero is really big differences always. Oh, man. Okay. Come on, you Spurs. If defense... Yeah! Wake up! These Tottenham, Jesus Christ. They never ever make me disappointed. They never ever make me disappointed. It is. This is Tottenham. This is the real Tottenham. This is. Yeah. Right here, man, bro. Johnson! Ow! Johnson is also, guys, I'm always saying, just I think all the young players, like, who have really good skill, you know. Johnson, for example, Johnson is really speedy. He just need experience. All young player needs just experience. Especially like right in front of the box or something. Okay, West Ham corner. Vicario! Nice. Poro. 셉셉. Oh. Nice. 우도기. Yeah, Johnson, please do something. Johnson, baby. Johnson. Baby. Let's make something today. Today's the day, bro. I'm fine with Spurs holding the lead, but still, I want to see one more goal. As a sports fan, I never ever can be like, how can I say this? I can't enjoy the match like Even Spurs is winning, you know? Never. Like, if Spurs is leading the match like more than 2 goal or 3 goal, okay, I can't enjoy it a little bit, but as a Spurs fan, no way. Never ever. Never ever gonna enjoy a match, even if you're winning. Never. Spurs fan that 1-0 means 1-1, of course. Maybe 1-2. 오케이, 쏘리! 아이씨, 아니, 존스나! 아, 존스, 와달! 아, 옵사이드? 오케이, 옵사이드. 아, 존스! I mean, calm down. It's okay. I think left side. But the problem, okay, guys, West Ham is so open for the left side, but the problem is Johnson is on the left side. We already had so many. Okay, Johnson. 아이씨. 좋아, 나이스. That's the reason. 나이스, 로메로. 크리스티안 로메로. 아, 로메로. 자, 로메로 is 진짜 he need to be in Tottenham jail. 오케이, 가야 돼. 고 찬스. 오야 진짜 why? 왜 로세였어? 존스나. 존슨. 나이스. 야, 나이스 프레셔. 야, 저 토트넘. Why are you guys so good? 오케이, 존스나. 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 아니, 존슨. Shake my head. 존슨, 존슨, 제발! 아우, 진짜! Okay, first half over. Romero. Good. Right now it's good, but just guys, I always say whatever possession is also okay. Possession is also important, but making a goal is the purpose of the football. That's how to win football. That was yeah. I thought today is different. Because today feels so good. It feels so good during 50 minutes. Boy! Yeah! today match is easy. I didn't expect this much. 가자! Go, 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 go! 에이! 아, 나 진짜, 씨. 파울, 옐로우 카드, 옐로우 카드! Okay, second one. Go, let's go! 가자! Okay, guys, 20 minutes left. 20 minutes! Come on, you Spurs! 가야 돼. 나 진짜 저 키퍼! 키퍼! that keeper! 나 진짜. that keeper. Please, one more. Please. 야! 아니, 진짜! 잠깐만, 뭐해! 진짜! 뭐해! 진짜! 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 What the fuck? It's dream. 아니, what the hell? 진짜로! 진짜 seriously? 와! 아니, I never see, that was better than PK. I never ever seen, I could score of that, of course. If they made a space like that, even 1-year-old baby could score that goal. That wasn't football, that was just how they made that space. 진짜! 존스나! 아니, 존스! If Johnson scored today, we would score 5 goals! I wanna delete the word Spursy. Because of that word! Spurs doing really Spursy right now! I wanna delete that word from dictionary. I mean... 아니, what are you guys doing? Run! Run! 야, 10 minutes left. Please. 저 one more goal, please. 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 I'm begging you. I'm begging to Tottenham, please. 아, 제발. 아, 네, please. 야, 얘들아, 5 minutes left, 5 minutes. 자, walk. Okay. No win, okay. Just draw. Just at least just draw, please. Okay, I will not be greedy anymore. Just draw. Okay, I'm so sorry. I was so fucking greedy. Just draw, bros. Yeah! Ah! Over, yeah, over, GG. 야, 너 GG. BG. 야, BG. 야, BG. Oh my god, fans are leaving. BG. 아.